Please subscribe to my channel, The 30 Soul. Today, I'm gonna open the regalos from my teacher and classmates. Can I open this now? Okay. I love you. What's that?
Ano yan?
Cow. I have a Nerf toy. Look. From Teacher Joy. Wow!
Ano yan?
A gun.
Wow!
Thank you, Teacher Joy. Happy holidays from TL. Wow, it's a tissue.
Wow! Tissue baga. The tissue.
Handkerchief. What's this? Merry Christmas, anak. Love you. From Teacher Lady.
It's
Cars. Thank you, Teacher Lady. From Teacher Joy.
Teacher Joy again, oh.
Billiards. Thank you, Teacher Joy. Merry Christmas.
From?
Oh, I cannot read it. Where?
Ay, sa games. Oh,
Wow, candies. From Teacher Joy again.
Again, Bob. Open mo, ano?
Where should I open it? Here.
Sa gitna.
Here, sa gitna.
Ay, box yan. Di mo yan kaya punitin. Ano, i-poke mo, tapos... Yan. Yung magbukas. Yun!
SpongeBob SquarePants. SpongeBob SquarePants.
Yes, you can-
Thank you, Teacher Joy. 2 hands from Andres. Go.
Wow!
It's a paw. Ito ay current materials. Thank you po, Kuya Andres. Thank you po sa current materials. Can I
Ay,
open
sa
it?
games, oo.
Wow! Thank you po.
Anong thank you? Sa atin yung galing.
Thank you, Sal. Thank you, Sal. Not that one. Yes. Hans Christian the Third Torres from Teacher Joy. Merry Christmas, 30.
Sige yan, bigay mo.
Wow! It's a Lego block.
Ano? Yung teacher na nakabunot sa'yo.
Thank you po, Teacher Joy, ng mga Lego. I like it. Thank you po sa gift. This? Wow!
Naman.
Horse!
Ikaw magpe-paint niyan. Pakita mo dito.
Thank you po.
Kanina galing.
Kay Tuhans, Merry Christmas.
From ano yan?
From Kuya, from Ardel. Thank you sa painting po.
Kanina galing. Sa price lang, ano? Sa game.
Price lang yun.
Alam mo kung ano yan? Hindi.
Hindi.
Alam mo yun?
Thank you po.
Ito ka. Hatch.
Thank you po sa pencils at eraser. Thank you sa mga glowing sticks. Tuhans from Donis. Thank you, Kuya Donis. Thank you sa candy. Thank you sa wafer. Thank you sa chocolates. And this is the last one. Thank you po.
Ano yan? Brick.
Brief. Tuhans. Happy holidays from Kiel.
Yun, si Kuya Kiel.
Wow!
Kasi lagi kang tumataas.
Wow! Thank you po, Kuya Kiel. Maraming salamat po sa lahat ng regalo. Merry Christmas, everybody. Happy holidays. Bye-bye.